Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to install React with Tailwind CSS. So first of all, we're going to React website and click on React, then learn React, then scroll down. Uh, in sidebar we'll click on app from scratch, then copy it npm create byte latest my app and paste it in our terminal. And instead of my app, we'll write our preferred app name. So then um, now keep it as it is. uh, then we select react using arrow down arrow button. So enter, then we select javascript from here, then enter, then choose no, then enter, then we copy cd our app name, then paste it, then enter. Then we need another website, that is Tailwind CSS. So for this we type Tailwind CSS. So enter and scroll down, get started, scroll down. We skip first one, we take the second one, that is npm, yeah, this one, then paste it here because we already inside our project. So now we going to Tailwind CSS. Now our project already is done installation. So we can see the byte.config.js file. So we copy the two line from here. First line is import, then we go to byte.config.js, then paste it. We need another line, that is plugins, Tailwind plugins. So copy it and paste it inside the plugin. And then we need now css code, like import Tailwind CSS. Just copy it and find inside src, inside src index.css. So click all, delete all, and paste our code, that is import Tailwind CSS. Now the wall configuration is done. uh, Now we go app.css and we delete all the code from here because we don't need it. We write our own code. So we take a div and we take a JSON tag, and inside the JSON tag we we write influencer, and we make it we some css Tailwind css classes that it works or not. So for this we write some Tailwind CSS classes. So first of all, as a React, we need a class name, and then we give it a text color. So we take text rate 7000. So now we need to start our app. So npm run dev, then enter. Our app is running in 5173. So click on it and we can see our webfluencer is turned into red. So we see some other Tailwind CSS class are working or not. So we take div as a minimum height screen, and then flex and items center, and then justify center. And now we can see our text coming in center. So we can say that our Tailwind CSS setup is successful. So That's it all, guys. So if the video help you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in next video.